Hello, everybody. Today is time to unit all the branch, check the codes from the other branch. If everything is okay from that branch, unit with the mine and later deploy to the hosting and make the all the test of the software. Okay, and let's go to see. Okay, let's go to Daniel and I check over there all the codes. I pull everything. I check all the new code. When I have done everything, when I done that, I go into my branch. I check everything is running in the Daniel branch and in the mine. Is everything is okay? Okay, I going to here and I say manage branch and I say, hey, I need to merge Daniel Dario to our Dario, right? I put in all the code from Daniel inside my branch. He added all the codes. Okay, I'm going to shake everything if and I see if all the code from that branch is already in mine. Okay, I see in the cedar. I can see in the cedar if in a fast way. I come here. Yeah, everything's okay. Okay, now I going to. We are designing this software from scratch. Of totally everything is new, database, code, everything, and it's a totally new project. And for that reason, I going to once I receive all the new code from the Daniel, I'm going to erase the migration. Once I did it, I'm going to create a new add migration. Uh, I call it initial DB, and this way we erase all the little ads migration when I did it throughout the weeks, and I'm going to make a new migration totally clean. You know, uh, this way is don't have so many steps to shake when you're going to deploy in the hosting or in the new database in local. Okay, let's go to wait here for a moment. Okay, he's done. He's, everything is ready. Okay, let's go to see. Let's go to share. We can check all the information over here. He's, here is just going to tell you, hey, I'm going to create these models in the tables and this relationship. This is going to be the foreign keys and whatever, you know, everything with that. Okay, now okay, we it's time to drop the database and later update the database. We're going to see if everything is okay. We are ready to deploy one more time on our host and make all the tests directly in the hosting. Okay, let's go to see. Let's go to drop database. Ready. Okay, let's go to wait just a moment. Okay, he is asking about it if we are sure to delete the database. We're going to say yes. We're waiting for. Okay, everything is okay. And now let's go to create the database one more time. Data, update database. Perfect. Okay, let's go to wait a moment. Okay, perfect. He's creating everything. Let's go to wait just a second. Come on, let's go to see if everything is okay. Okay, done. Everything is okay. Already perfect. And now, okay, let's go to close this. Everything is okay. We create the new migration. We drop the database, create the database one more time, and now I'm going to check my hosting. I work with this hosting. Um, my ASP.NET is really nice. Work. I don't know. It's good. It's perfect. So simple to management. And okay, let's go to see. I have to change some information in my hosting in this moment. Sorry, I can show you. Um, and this app setting. In this moment, I have my connection string in the app setting. But once we finish and it's ready to deploy finally all the project to like a product, we can erase all the connection string in the app settings, and there we can go to the let me show you here. I'm going to say properties, and inside properties, we're going to the book, and the book. Oh my God, I forget. Okay, here. In general, you open this enlarged profile, and inside over here, environment variables, we're going to create here the connection string. And that's what why going to do this when I deploy finally the software, because if somebody can access to the hosting of in I don't know, in other ways, one can he can reach your app setting files. You can see they can see all the information about your keys. I don't know if you are using SendGrid to send emails. You can take your API, the tokens, the token information, all the default connection, the string connection to the database. And for that reason, in the future, when I'm going to finally deploy the product, uh, going to erase all the information in the app setting, I'm going to create over here. Okay, but if you are going to work with Azure have another environment variable, and you can put in over there that that variables. But I prefer putting over here. It's gonna to be it's like a height, you know. Okay, ready. Let's go now to change the information and ready to deploy to the hosting. I'm going to pause the video. One moment. Okay, ready. Uh, I changed my connection string in the app setting. I changed my connection string from local database to the hosting, right? We already did the migration, and in this case, only we need to create. We're going to do the update database, and he's going to connect one more time to the hosting and create one more time all the database over there. Well, let's go to see. Waiting for just a moment. Yeah, it's creating everything. In this moment, the connection is with the hosting, from my computer to the hosting. Okay, let's go to wait. We need to say done successfully. Okay, done. Everything is okay. Okay. Well, we need one more step. We add some new views and another views. We change it. We change it. For that reason, we need to connect let's go to make a new deploy, but I do it this deploy from my from directly from my visual. Let me shape because I using the FTP connection, and I have the hosting address over there. Let's go to pause a little moment. Okay, when you gonna to publish your project, um, wherever the ways do you do it, you can do it. Make the project in the folder. Later you copy. Going to zip that folder and upload it in your hosting. For example, if you are using AWS and have over there Internet Information Server, well, you can create over there the folder. You copy this zip folder, copy there, and zip over there, and render the project for the first time, and that's it. Okay, but in this way, I using FTP server and connect directly from my visual to my hosting, my ASP.NET, and I publish the project over there. I take the Windows and put it down in the bottom screen because there are my my address hosting. And well, when you have all the configuration here, you just need to all the time say publish, publish, publish. And if you create a new Windows or new view, and you're going to deploy that view, just say publish, and that's it. Okay, let's go to say publish, and he's publishing to the FTP server, and in the go out windows, look over here in the output, we can see what is going on in this moment with that publishing. Okay, he's building the started project. He's preparing everything to publish the code in the hosting. Okay, let's go to wait. Okay, I'm going to pause because they have some time. He take some time to finish. I'm going to pause. Well, everything is okay. He did it. We did it. Okay. And now we have we can share all the information. Well, we create a new seeder. With that new seeder, let me check. I changed the password. I think so. Okay, ready. Yeah, I changed the password. Sorry. Okay. How we generate a lot of information in the seeder because how we are working all the time and we need to drop the database and we recreate all the time that database. Uh, we need to put in there when you recreate one more time the database. We need to put in there data that we can work. And for that reason, the seeder here is too big. Have a lot data over here. Look at this. This is a lot data. Okay, in this case, well, I'm going to check everything. If we have the plant, we have person, civils. I know. Let me check sex, for example. Oh my God, come on. No. Let's go to see one table. No, neither. Okay, man. Oh my God, come on. What happened? the cuenta. Um, let's see. This okay. We have here the information. Banks. Okay, we have the banks. I'm not sure if this. Oh no. Suspension modalidad. Okay. I have to shake. Maybe have a little problem with that. Okay, but I can do it in the video because I have there are some data that I can share with you. But we have almost everything. You know, here we have some tables, upload all the data. Okay, they're ready. That is all. This is the project where I am working. I hope you enjoy the this video. There's something little stuff, you know. This project is designed in NPC. You know, we have the structure over here is we have a common project with class library. Over there we have all the models. Here we have all the web project. Here we have the project. We are working with .NET 6 in this moment. Um, well, we are working with the MVC, like I said, but at the same time, we have the opportunity to work with API, and we already have all the process to create tokens, JSON Web Tokens to send when the clients make the login. He received the token, and with that token, the person can to come in to validate if can take some resource from the software. Well, thank you. Bye bye.